Mountains are formed through tectonic forces, erosions, or volcanism, which act on time scales of up to tens of millions of years. The mighty chunks rise all over the world, including the oceans. They usually have steep sloping sides and sharp or rounded ridges, and a high point called a peak or a summit. The mountain ranges are the individual mountains connected by ridges and separated by valleys. They extend up to hundreds of kilometers in length. When such an array of ranges are linked together, it constitutes a mountain belt. The Himalayas is a mountain range in Asia, separating the plains of the Indian subcontinent from the Tibetan plateau. The Himalayan range has some of the planet's highest peaks, including the very highest, Mount Everest in Nepal. Over 100 peaks exceeding 24,000 feet in elevation lie in the Himalayas. The Himalayas cross 5 countries: Bhutan, India, Nepal, China, and Pakistan. Some of the world's major rivers, the Indus, the Ganges, and the Brahmaputra, rise in the vicinity of the Himalayas, and their combined drainage basin is home to some 600 million people. The Himalayas have profoundly shaped the cultures of South Asia and Tibet.